早起看世界，咱来关心坐火人是袂堪的搬。澳洲悉尼有一间病院透过物理治疗师加强老大人的筋肉，嘛透过营养师出菜单，互老大人食较有营养，安尼真正较袂跋倒。因为慢慢就是徛会较在，行会较稳，会当恢复正常行的能力。根据数据，即嘛显示讲，经过一年的运动甲营养计划来参加这课程的老大人，因住院的比率降低8成。
工作人员指导头毛白上下老人要如何正确使用健身器材，伊是这间病院退休护理师，前时阵伫厝内底无细致跋一倒，可以感受危机意识，决定到这参加专业课程，重新阁学行路技巧。
I clearly wasn't watching where I was walking, and unfortunately, I came down with a great thump, and I noticed immediately that I didn't have any confidence, that I was frail, I wasn't walking properly. This extraordinary gymnasium has just led me back to walking again.
这是伫澳洲新南尔威斯省悉尼附近一间病院，专门为老人打造的健身课程，有专属营养师、物理治疗师甲老年医学专家组成的团队，目标是透过运动帮助老人锻炼身体肌耐力。不只是跋倒人用来遮训练健康的老人，也应避免发生危险。
If we take the approach of trying to prevent hospitalisations through improvements in health, function, and so that people can continue to live at home.
根据这个研究计划资料显示，透过一年的运动甲营养计划了后，参加课程的老人住院率减少84%。
But it also provides a system benefit because we can try and do our best to prevent these older people from having to come to hospital.
即马当局希望伫新南威尔斯省各地病院拢有共款的设施，帮助老人有计划运动，降低跋倒失灵的风险。公司新闻陈伟仁报道。